Dear Auditions, today we will see a continuation of the next day lessons. The centroid of the triangle ABC, whose vertices are A x1, y1, B x2, y2, and C x3, y3. The centroid we use G. G is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. That is for centroid. Take the x coordinate, this x1, and then x2 plus x3 whole divided by 3. Then for y, it is y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3, a comma, and this is the centroid. This is the formula to find the centroid. Then comes to area of a triangle, and this is a portion in 10th standard formula. Let us first know the formula to find the area of a triangle, and delta is the symbol for area. This delta is equal to 1 by 2 sigma x1 into y2 minus y3. You see, x1 in with bracket, y2 1 after 2 minus y3. For sigma summation, you have to give a continuous number. Okay, or that is 1 by 2 into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus in the same pattern. If it is here x1, it is x2, y3 is here, and therefore next y2 is here, and therefore it is y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Okay, that is the expansion for this summation. So another form to find the area of a triangle is 1 by 2 and then modulus form x1 y1. It is x1 y1. So you are taking the coordinate of this triangle x1 y1 in the column side, column way, x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. Again repeat this x1 y1. Then the expansion, you can multiply 1 by 2 into x1 y2 plus x2 y3 plus x3 y1 minus bracket then y1 x2. See, when you are going from downwards, it is again minus y2 x3, then minus y3 x1. So, okay, and for collinear points, if 3 points are collinear, then the area of the triangle formed by the points is 0. Then the area of the triangle formed by them is 0. That is a condition for collinearity. You see here, this is A, B, C. These points are lying on the same line. Therefore, they are called collinear points. When they are lying on the same line, we can say they are collinear. Okay? To find whether the given points are collinear, you suppose that these 3 points are the vertices of a triangle. Then you find the area of this triangle. If it is 0, then we can say these 3 points are collinear. Okay, now then area of a quadrilateral. So what is a quadrilateral? Quadrilateral is a figure that is enclosed by the 4 lines. You see here AB, BC, CD and DA. So 4 lines are enclosed and we are getting on quadrilateral. If you divide this quadrilateral with this diagonal, any one of this diagonal, you can see 2 triangles. So you can find the area of the quadrilateral by the sum of the triangles area. Okay, ABCD is a quadrilateral. Then quadrilateral is nothing but enclosed figure by the 4 lines. Okay, as special quadrilaterals we know very well, it is a rectangle, square, rhombus. We can split this quadrilateral by joining any one of the diagonal. Then we'll get 2 triangles. So, okay. Then this area of a quadrilateral. Area of this quadrilateral is equal to area of the triangle ABC, one triangle, and area of another one triangle ACD. Okay, then exercise, we'll see exercise 5.1. Find the area of the triangle whose vertices are minus 3, 8, minus 5, 6, and then 5, minus 2. So let us plot this in a graph, rough graph. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here this is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, so on. Upper side is positive, continuously number 1, 2, 3 integers. Here this negative numbers. Then you plot this minus 3, 5. Minus 3 is here, minus 3 in x-axis, minus always the left side of this x-axis line, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, and minus 3. 5 plus 5 is there, therefore you go upwards, then you can plot against this 5, and this is the point A, minus 3, 5. Similarly, you can plot these points. Okay, other points also, you know how to plot the points. After plotting the points in a counterclockwise direction, because you know always a clock will go in this way. In a counterclockwise direction, you have to name the vertices. Vertices mean this is one vertex, and plural form of this is vertices, and this is A, and then you can give B and then C. So this is anti-clockwise direction. After plotting the points, after drawing this triangle, you give the name the vertices in a clockwise direction. So given, so what is given? A is equal to this point. So you see, when you are writing the points, you should be very careful without any mistakes. Sign must be careful, and you must take the numbers from the questions carefully. And minus 3, 5, and B is equal to 5, 2, and C is equal to 5, 6. Okay, area of the triangle. This is the next formula. Another formula is very easy, and therefore it is equal to 1 by 2 x1 y1, x2 y2, and then x3 y3. Again x1 y1. This case is y1. Here it is y1. This is not 1. This is y1. So here x1 y1. See, just first point x1 y1, second point x2 y2, x3 y3. Again we repeat this first point x1 y1. See here A minus 3, 5. So you are writing minus 3, 5 in the column A, minus 3, 5. The next one 5, minus 2, and then next one 5, 6. Again repeat this minus 3, 5. So just first you take the first point, and first take the first point. You write this minus 3 first. Under that you write 5. You write 5 here. Is there 5 is there? And then take 5 and write it here. Here 5 is there. Again minus 2. So you are taking this point. You write it in the column wise, and then take the next point, and then write again in the column wise 5, 6. Then again go to the first point, minus 3, 5. Next one, to how to expand it, it is equal to 1 by 2 into, you put this bracket, set bracket, it is bracket, and that is into, first from top to bottom, see here from top to bottom, minus 3 into minus 2, minus 3 into minus 2, minus into minus plus, 3 2s are 6. So, okay, and that you are getting here is 6. Okay, now again from top to bottom, 5, 6 are 30. You can see that 30 is there. Okay, plus again from top to bottom, 5 5s are 25. So there you see plus 25. Put it within brackets. Then minus, again you start one bracket, minus, again you start one bracket, minus, you start again one bracket. Then you see here from bottom to top, you have to multiply bottom number to top number. 5 5s are 25. Okay, then next one, 5 minus 2 into 5, minus into plus is minus 2 5s are 10. So here it is minus 10. Okay, minus 10 is there. Minus 2 into 5, that is minus 10. Then again, bottom to top, 6 3s are 18. Here plus, and the sign product is plus is here and minus is there. Plus into minus will give you minus. 6 3s are 18, and there you can see minus 18. Minus 18. Now add these numbers. 6 plus 30 is 36, and then plus 25 will give you 61. Minus here 25. Here 25 minus 10, 15. Minus 10, minus 18, 20, minus 28. You add the negative numbers. This minus 10, minus 10, minus 18. It is minus 28. You subtract with this one. This is plus 25. Plus 25 minus 28. So when the signs are different, when the signs are here, this minus sign and this is a plus sign. When the signs are different, find the difference between these two numbers first. So what's the difference between 28 and 25? 28 and 25 is 3. And the sign of the bigger number is 28, and the sign is minus 3. See here, minus 3. Now there is a bracket, within bracket this value of this one total inside this one is minus 3, and within this bracket minus 3. Now multiply this minus into minus. Its bracket means a multiplication. So minus into minus will give you plus 61 plus 3 will give you 64. Already 1 by 2 is there, and therefore it is 64 by 2. I cancel 32. 64 by 2, that will give you 32 square unit. Okay, this is the way to find the area of a triangle. It's a very important problem. Thank you.